If you rub it against your beer, because the beer is blue, okay, the card is souvenir.
What the hell? Oh my god.
No. If you had the ability to produce any playing card at your fingertips at lightning speed, you would have the limitless power to create absolute miracles.
From the ground up, DEX is a revolutionary, never-before-seen delivery system that gives you hyper-quick access to any playing card in the blink of an eye.
Here. So the screen is over there.
What the? DEX is a secret device that hides an entire deck of cards inside of your pocket. Due to its intuitive design, you'll have instant and effortless access to any single playing card.
Was
that the one you want?
Bro, you him fine, bro. You him, bro.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Yo, tell me what happened to them.
Huh?
Talk me through what happened, man.
All right, so I had a one, and as you see, I just continued on with another trick. So we just did any other trick. Pick a card, change it into that card,
That's magic, yeah.
and then
magic trick, man.
yeah. Can you guys shuffle those for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a favorite playing card?
Playing card?
Yeah, like one of those. Which one's your favorite?
Like a suit?
Or a card?
Any card.
Like not an ace, because everybody thinks of an
I
ace.
was about to say a king of hearts.
The King of Hearts. How come you chose the King of Hearts? Is that like your favorite card?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can I see the cards? Look, check it out. Inside this deck
Oh,
is the King of Hearts. Look,
Yeah.
this is the principle. Look, the King of Hearts is actually every single card here is red, all except one. Would you be impressed if that was your card?
yeah,
The King of Hearts?
yeah.
Oh yeah. The only one you could have named absolutely any card.
What would you do? How would you handle it if somebody literally ripped the deck from your hands in the middle of an invisible or brainwave deck performance?
Look, that is actually, the only blue card in the
Oh my god,
entire
lies. Let me see. Let me see the rest of it. Let me see if I can hold her.
Hello.
deck. It'll be right on top. You're looking for the other queen? That's because it's from the other
Nonsense
deck.
you got going on. Hold on.
Yeah. No, you can check
Wait,
it.
don't touch
Yeah.
I want to see what lie you got going on.
All right, you check all you want. Here.
How you do that? Tell me. No.
There's only one blue one, and it's the one you named.
Hold on.
No,
Don't
I
play
didn't do
with
it. You did it.
The strongest and most important feature of DEX is not the speed. It's the fact that it allows you to access any playing card without having to think about it. You use muscle memory and autopilot, allowing you to be fully present in every single routine that you perform.
Just the top packet, and look at the card you stopped at.
No way.
That's the only card in the whole entire deck. Keep looking, keep looking.
No way. No. DEX is not just the most advanced pocket index ever created. Every DEX includes the first of its kind 5-hour masterclass where we teach you over 40 tricks, 10 essential sleights, advice and performance enhancing techniques, ways in which DEX can save you when other tricks go wrong, interactive practice sections, and so much more.
This guy had the card, like all of these cards is red. This guy turned the card by rubbing it on my blue bottle. Blue. How do you do it? How do you do it?
Wait, you think it's that YouTube or something?
Never in my life. Bro, you are amazing. I mean, that is incredible.
Let's see one card. Queen of
No way. This ain't real. No, that's like, because I just like randomly walked up.
Dude, that's crazy.
Elevate your magic beyond conventional limits.
Erase complicated sleight of hand, remove unnecessary gimmicks,
All with one simple,
elegant yet invisible device.
That's crazy. So now I need to show you a trick.